We've added a new event to our monthly networking schedule, and the first round's on us. Cheers to those of you who wanted to learn a little more about creative real estate. This month's topic of discussion will be tabletop closings. In other words, preparing all of your own closing documents to buy a property on the spot without a lawyer or a title company. We've only been doing it for the last 20 years. But wait, there's more. Just for showing up and paying your $10 door fee, you'll receive the 200-page Turning Houses binder with all the paperwork you need to do this in New Jersey and 24 hours of audio training. Not to mention, we'll feed you dinner, but don't get too excited. It's Irish food. The event starts at 7 p.m. at Tommy Fox's Public House at 32 South Washington Ave in Bergenfield, New Jersey. Don't worry, there's plenty of parking around back. And feel free to use the back door. That's what she said. And just for showing up, you'll be among the first group of students invited to our one-day tabletop closing workshop. And if you remember to ask us on the way out, we'll gladly provide you with a pre-rolled J or a dime bag.
So you're buying them a drink, dinner, giving them Mary Jane, and the course?
Yep.
It's like you're paying them to show up.
I know. I call it an ethical bribe. What are you waiting for? Smash the link attached to this video. We'll see you there. The goal is to make money with you. Bye for now.